start a conversation, log in with Microsoft, your name, and my language is English. I'm going to start the conversation. Test my microphone, allow. I can see that it's working, so I'm going to continue. I'm going to have the mic stay on, so everything I say will be heard. I can mute others if I want, but I want everyone to have a voice. And now I have this code. So I'm going to share the code with students, and the students would go to translate.it, and they are going to join a conversation with the conversation code, which is this time CAEWG. You can make a forever code now as well, a reusable code. And when the student picks a language, not all languages are speech to text. It starts off with the speech and text languages, and then when you scroll further down, it shows you the text-only languages. I'm going to go ahead and go with Spanish for the student conversation and join. They need to test their microphone. And they need to go to settings and make sure that everything is green. And then they should hear.
Y luego deberían escuchar.
Y luego deberían escuchar. ¿Alguna vez te preparas y su cultura? ¿Alguna vez de preferencia Sakura? Quiero que las preferencias de visita se produzcan. Preferencias de clase de héroe. Cada ciudadano produce puede. Preferencias propias de esa clase. Dala ciudadano u productor consulta referencias.
So the student can then hear everything that is being said by the teacher.